name is Engineer Fabian. My business name is Fan and Power. One fateful afternoon, I just started noticing that the battery was very hot. So I just went there to fill the battery. It was very hot, so I just had to disconnect instantly and took the battery aside. After so many contacts, my message finally got to Cworth. And luckily for me, it was amazing. The experience was great. Cworth had to replace the battery for me without any form of financial commitment at all. I will recommend Cworth in millions of years to come. Seriously, Cworth is the best. I've never expected it. This is the first time I'm getting service like this. Seriously, this is massive. This is fine. Thank you very much, Warri. Thank you very, very much. I'm grateful.